around and invading my dreams. You make me feel as if nothing is as it seems. Count the days between your spots and your mind. Will you back off? Let me live my life. I don't take too kind to threats, and the worst times are yours. I bet that you had something to do with this. I'll just stand in the wind your way and take a piss. Will you just see that I'm just not the enemy you are searching for, you are looking for? Write the scriptures in my face. Now you know that you cannot erase. You're invading my space. I just don't think you know what I mean. So just go back into your daydreams. I will run away as far as I can go, can go. I hit rewind and fall behind. The paintings on the wall, they all start to fall. Will you ever see my dreams? Will you ever see my face? Do you ever know what I mean? Will you ever show me your real face? So I can see the bigger picture now. You have found your way to a better place that you call home. I can't face the facts and you won't leave me alone.